Hi guys! In today's video we'll be doing this Bonnie inspired doll repaint, and this will be the last animatronic I'll be doing for the first game. Out of the four I've done, this was probably the one that I struggled the most by finding the concept. In the end I went for a slightly glam rock inspired look and I really like how it turned out. For the base of this project I used this Jane Boo little Monster High doll. I chose this specific doll because I felt the skin tone was the closest to the actual character. And again I obviously did a gender bender, but you can make it a boy if you want to. Remove the doll's original hair and face, then give it a wash and prime it with the Mr. Super Clear spray. I used a few watercolor pencils, a bit of acrylic paint and some chalk pastel for the repaint. I start by sketching on the eye shape with a pencil before blocking in the colors with acrylic paint to save the layers. This is the first time I've given a doll this extreme makeup, but it was kind of fun and I really like the glam rock reference. I chose to keep the eyebrows and the lips quite subtle and just kept them purple. I used a bit of grey and white pastel to kind of smoke out the makeup before using a dark purple pastel to shade the face. And also white for highlights later. And at this point I realized I hadn't removed her ears, and since she was going to be getting bunny ears later, I cut them off. When you can no longer build up the colors, seal in your progress and then start building on top. When you're happy with it, add the finishing touches such as the highlights of the eyes and then seal it in a final time. For the hair, I used some purple 100% acrylic yarn, which I brushed out and straightened into doll hair. Once all the hair was attached, I set it aside to dry and then used some polymer clay to form the bunny ears. After baking, I painted them to match using acrylic paint. Glue on the ears, and I chose to add a small red bow in the hair instead of having a bow tie for this one. Then I added on 3D eyelashes and a bit of glaze to the eyes. For the dress, I made this very simple pattern simply by drafting it from the actual dress that the doll came with. Cut out the pieces from a slightly stretchy fabric and then sew them together. Fit the dress on your doll and then close the back using either buttons or velcro. I cut a piece of lace ribbon to add a bit of detail to the top. Finally, I added a bit of the accessories that the doll came with, and I also added a pair of purple shoes. To make the guitar, I cut it out from a piece of cardboard in order to keep it lightweight, and I filled in the holes in the side using some wood filler. Then I painted on the design using acrylic paint. And here's the finished doll. I really hope you enjoyed my take on it. Even though I struggled with the concept in the beginning, out of the 4 I've done so far, I actually think that this is my favorite. Again, I went for the quite villainous but still pretty and cute look. So, which one is your favorite animatronic from the first FNAF game? And does it coincide with the favorite you have among the dolls I've made? Let me know in the comments below. And in case you missed any of the previous dolls in this series, here's a little recap for you. First up is Freddy. Then Foxy. And my take on Chica. And here's a shot of them all together. I really hope you enjoyed this little series. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in a new video soon. Bye!